Good morning, all. We are here to present a project that's more than just an app, it's a movement. It's called Real Life, a student powered platform where e waste meets innovation. Real Life is about giving a second life to discarded electronics and creating a first hand experience of innovation for students. Let's face the numbers. India is the third largest generator of e waste in the world, producing over 3.2 million tons of e waste every year. And sadly, only less than 20% of it is formally recycled. And the rest, it's either dumped in landfills, burned, or handled unsafely, causing toxic pollution, serious health hazards, and an unregulated informal uh, sector. The problem is big, and so is our vision. The solution, a smart, scalable, youth led initiative. And that's where Real Life steps in. So, what's Real Life? Real Life is a student powered mobile app that transforms old electronics into new opportunities. It helps people dispose e-waste safely, reward them for doing it right, and most importantly, give students a chance to innovate and create from that waste.
How Real Life works. As mentioned earlier, Real Life is a student-powered app where e-waste is being upcycled and involving student creators, where the student creators will make artworks and innovative models. As any normal app, the first step involves user registration. A normal user will register through their email IDs, phone numbers, or any other alternate methods. And in the case of student creators, they will register under the influence of the real life clubs formed in their schools. The second step is scanning the e-waste. The users will scan the e-waste under their possession to check whether it can be upcycled through our app. After confirming whether their waste can be upcycled through our app, they will get to know the nearest collection point. And after reaching there, they can drop off their e-waste. And after dropping off, they will verify it by scanning a QR code that is present there. And after verification, they will earn green points. For dropping each drop, they will earn green points. And these green points can be redeemed in real life app stores where they can buy the upcycle products made by student innovators.
Through Real Life, we have partnered with NGOs and government approved recyclers. When the users drop their waste at the collection centers, these partnered recyclers collect it. And our team will sort it and identifies the components which hold the potential for innovation. And the selected materials are delivered to schools by the partnered recyclers. And the excess materials is sent through government authorized recycling centers, confirming that or ensuring that no materials is wasted and it causes no harm to the environment. Now, here is the heart of our app, the student innovators. Those students who are passionate about art, technology, designing can join the real life innovation clubs in their schools, and through these clubs they will get trained in upcycling, product building, and designing. And these students become the real life makers. So they will create the discarded parts into smart, buy-worthy creations. From funky desk organizers to smart eco lamps and tech accessories, they craft each item with innovation and care. And yes, all the products upcycled by the student innovators are available in the Real Life App Store.
Tools built right into our real life app. such as built-in circuit simulator. Students can design, simulate, and test real-life electronic circuit using digital components like resistors, batteries, LEDs, motors, etc. without needing a physical parts. This will boost innovation and confidence of the students. And the motive behind this is that many students can't afford many expensive electronic parts but using this circuit simulator they can try out various circuits. Also, it will be a convenient way to practice circuit simulation. And next is an integrated 3D model designer. Students can design their actual product in 3D before working in real world. They can visualize how recycled parts fit together. And there is also AI suggestions. They will suggest ideas during the making process of models and guide students if they get stuck at some point.
Once upcycled, these products go live on the Real Life App Store, a digital eco marketplace. And all the products are priced in green points earned by contributing e-waste. When registered users of the app earn green points by recycling, they can use those points to purchase the items created by student innovators directly through the Real Life app. So this creates a circular economy driven by student innovation where e-waste is currency and creativity is power.
Creator deserve to shine. Our student makers are not just upcyclers, they are the young innovators of a greener tomorrow. And to encourage and recognize their efforts, Real Life offers meaningful rewards, such as digital certificate, which is an official recognition for their contribution to sustainable innovation. Makers leaderboard. The most useful and reviewed upcycled items will be ranked in leaderboards. Creators of Week Spotlight. The students will get featured on real life apps and school bulletin boards. Exclusive perks. They will get access to boot camps and free skill sessions. Green point bonuses. They will earn extra green points for top selling creation.
And there is a community impact map tracking the change we made. To measure and celebrate the collective impact of our student innovators and users, Real Life involves a powerful feature called the Community Impact Map. So, through this feature, we can view the number of products created, upcycled by student innovators in each school, district, or locality, the number of products collected and recycled by the users in each area, the top performing schools, districts, locality, and so on. And also, there is a student showcase feature. So every product has a story behind its innovation. So in this feature, students can upload videos or notes explaining the story behind their creation, the challenges they overcome, and the products used, and so on. So this builds credibility, inspires peers, and celebrates each student's journey. Real Life is more than an app. It's a new beginning. With each drop, each innovation, each green points earned, the community footprint grows, tracking small efforts into big change. India is facing a big challenge with e-waste, but through Real Life, we are offering a real practical solution. Because a broken gadget can spark a brilliant idea, a classroom can become a real world solution, and every student can become a change maker. Together, we can build a cleaner and smarter India. Let's rethink, recreate, real life. Thank you.